Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to start by spraying in some spray. This helps the hair to be soft and easy to work on. I'm going to start by sectioning the hair.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
I'm going to be carrying this side, carry two big carry on the side. When we finish, we are going to put our accessory on it. I'm going to be using some of this dry scalp cream. It's for like itchy scalp when you like suffer from itchy scalp. I'm going to just start by carrying the hair, not too tight because we don't want it to be too tight so that you'll be able to manipulate it when you're putting the accessory. If your hair is short, you can add some extension, but with this, we don't need any extension. We're just going to do it with our hair like that. The two sides is completed just the same way. I'm going to be taking a section in the middle and I'm going to be using an elastic band to just put it in place. As you can see, I've sectioned the hair according to our face shape. I'm going to start by adding in some extension. We are using this hair. I'm going to be cutting it into 3 places. I'm putting an elastic band in the middle just to wrap around the hair. I'm just blending the hair on top of our own natural hair. Make sure that all the hair is covered. If the extension is too small, you can add more extension. I'm just wrapping the band just to kind of close to where our hair ends. We want our own hair to give it volume. If your hair is relaxed, you can use like a more volume hair. But when you have natural hair, expression will be fantastic. I'm just wrapping the hair, tucking the hair into the hair we've created. Make sure the hair is not showing and we don't want the band to show. Use your pin, just slide it in. I'm going to be using another pin on the other side just to make sure everything is well secure.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Make sure you comb it properly. Just comb it, it will make it smooth. Use your any elastic band, just catch the hair and just wrap it and tuck it in. I'm using the elastic band here now, so it's not right. I'm going to be doing it again. So if it's not right, just do it again. I'm going to put it the right way. Just put it where our hair finishes and make it a little bit tight.
Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Just roll it. Look at what I'm doing. I'm just rolling it and making that like a padding and just fold it on top of the one we've rolled. I'm using my pin to just pin it on top of the plait and I'm just pinning the second one as well. Just there's no right or wrong. Just watch this video. If you don't get it, watch it again. I'm taking that one out. I'm going to be twisting this. You can plait it, you can experiment. Some of the style you're watching, I'm just like kind of experimenting with it, but this exactly was on Instagram. I want to show you guys how it's done. I'm just going to take the pin out and take the plait under because we don't want anything to show. We want it to look very professional. We're just going to pin it back. I know you can do this. Anyone can do it. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm using the band to just hold the second hair now. I'm going to be putting my elastic band around the hair with the extension. One tip, when you're using elastic band on long natural hair, just be careful so that you don't pull the hair. Guys, don't forget to press the like button. I'm just going to comb the hair, get some of my band and wrap it around the hair. If you're asking, what about if my hair is short? Do the same way, but use a kinking extension to do it, like a jumbo. That will be fuller, and just do it the same way and you'll get the same results.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Now we can start to see the beauty of this hairstyle. I'm just going to get my pin and flip that. We don't want any of the band to show, and I'll be using the pin. I'm using a close pin here because we want it to be secure. I'm going to be using my spray. This is not a strong spray, this is like the oil sheen, just to make the hair a little bit shiny. This hairstyle looks a little bit tricky, but is very simple to do. I know you all will be able to recreate this hairstyle at home. I'm just going to make sure if there's any place that is showing, just open the hair and spread it because we don't want any of the hair to show. I'm using the last one now. I'm just going to wrap the hair. This you have to just watch what I'm doing because we don't want anybody to know this is not our hair. Just fold it and tuck it in and spread it, and we're going to go to the other side. Oh, this hair is beautiful, natural hair to its finest. I'm twisting that one and I'm just going to twist it, pin it and tuck it. Guys, this is a fabulous hairstyle and I'm happy to share this hairstyle with you. Don't forget to press the like button if you like this hair and she was happy. Love you all. See you next week. Bye bye.